Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, it will get highlighted, and if you go back to watch face, it will also appear right here at the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, wake up the screen, open the quick panel, and tap on the icon. Again, it will go back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also make a schedule for it, so basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. And to do it, we need to go to settings. So, wake up the screen, press the select button after you wake up the screen to open the menu, scroll through it, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called preferences. Once you find it, tap on it, and here find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and then tap on it. Now, select the option Auto Enable, and here we have Scheduled option. And what this option does is basically you can set a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, and it will turn on automatically at specific time and turn off automatically at specific time. To do it, select the Schedule mode, then tap on the arrow next to it to open the Start time, and here you can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on, and we have minutes and hours. Then we can tap on check mark, set the end time, so the time on which the mode should be turning off, and then tap on the check mark, and now we have our schedule. Mine will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. You can also use the Smart D&D option. This is basically also scheduled, but only when you're wearing your watch during the sleep, because if the watch detects that you're sleeping, it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and if you wake up, it will just turn it off. At least it will try. I don't know how well it works though. And if you select manual, of course, it will only work when you turn it on manually and turn it off manually. Okay, so once you're done setting up your options, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.